It's on, baby.
Should I say it? Well, you gotta say it.
Well, I'm Vito from Jersey, and this is me and Carlo again, and we're smoking our stogies here. And we're gonna do a little, it's holding a nice ash, Carlo, look.
Yeah.
It's holding a nice ash.
Very loosely rolled.
This is the El Mejor Espresso, and it's put out by CI International. Now, it says I wish we should have had the catalog here. It says it's deep, chocolatey, and coffee, rolling with flavor, rolling off the tongue.
Rolling.
I taste Ugats is what I taste. I don't taste nothing. All right. It's holding a good ash. The end is gummy and it's not. It's all shangad and sticky. It's not holding a good ash. No, it is holding a good ash, but the ash is black. It's not white. But the reason why
it's too, it's burning really.
It's not that bad, Carlo.
Yeah. I have an Indian tobacco.
Show them the label.
It's about a Churchill size. It's on the strong side. It's for a seasoned cigar smoker. It's not for an amateur. But if you like a strong cigar, it's pretty good. It's not a harsh kind of strong. It's good. If you like a strong cigar.
How's it holding the ash? See, I can't taste this cigar because Carlo skeeves you. If you put your mouth on it, it's like a whole big deal.
I skeeve it.
You know, this is getting gooky too on the end.
Yeah, that's another thing. That's my pet peeve. I like the cigars
tight
that have the double cap on the end that you can chew. I like to chew on the end of it. It doesn't fall apart.
Usually a white ash means a lot of Nicaraguan tobacco, right?
Yeah, that was an inexpensive cigar. That was only like $3, $3.50.
That's what you expect, you know. But you know, that's what we're gonna rate. We're gonna rate these like inexpensive type cigars because what am I gonna rate? Like a Macanudo. Everybody knows Macanudo is great, or a Partagas.
Every week we're gonna select something out of the catalog.
You got the catalog?
Yeah.
I think I threw mine away.
I haven't.
I stopped smoking for a while because I had a bad sore throat for a long time, but I'm back, baby!
Gotta blacken those lungs up for you. We got a nice charcoal texture to them.
You want a beer?
I got the coffee.
I got a beer in the back.
Go get it for yourself.
Well, I'm gonna go get a beer. Keep talking to the people. Don't just let that ass face over here. Tell them something.
You'll see this on YouTube. Just type in Vito from Jersey. We're gonna have a weekly show. This is from Vito's Barbershop. Straight from Jersey. We got Sirius Radio, 50s at 5 going on here. How could you beat it? You got the big...
Heavy's gonna see me drinking alcohol, smoking a cigar.
You're going down the wrong path, Vito. You're going down the wrong path. Peggy is Vito's wife, and she's afraid that Vito's making his barbershop a hangout. And you know something? He is. And I'll see to it that he does.
Uh-oh. Been on the show. You're gonna be you're gonna be one of the bad ones. Like Tina lets you hang out with me because you don't get in trouble, right?
You're safe. You're safe.
But she won't let him hang out with Frank Milano.
Dr. Milano to you. Dr. Quattrocchi's close relative.
Frank Milano is a legend here in Carlsbad. Him, Fast Eddie.
The best.
Fast Eddie.
Big Jack.
Rookie. Big Jack.
Jack the Peach. Give him some nicknames, right? You gotta pull some names out of that.
Jack the Peach.
Should we go back to the Hoboken days or what?
Dr. Quattrocchi.
Dr. Quattrocchi.
He helps you kill yourself.
Then you got the Bear. Big Jerry the Bear.
Jerry the Bear.
What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think? Let's go check to see if we're still filming. We're still filming. No, we're only 4 minutes and 43 seconds into it. We got 10 minutes. We can fill up. Well,
remember, check out Vito from Jersey and put your comments on. Put comments on the video and let us know what kind of cigars you smoke. And well, Vito and I will answer you.
And if you want to send us some cigars, you got to say, well, I'll give you my address some other time. You send us some cigars and we'll rate them. But okay, anyway, this is the El Mejor, CI International, which I'm telling you, your best cigar prices probably in the country, right, Carl?
Oh, undoubtedly.
I don't know how he does it.
I don't know how he does it either.
The best prices on cigars.
They are. And he has a good selection. He has 2 stores, right? He has the internet, on the internet, what is it? What's the internet address?
I don't know.
Cigars International, right?
Type in, just Google Cigars International. This guy's got 2 stores. It's in Pennsylvania, in Lehigh Valley. We drove up there last week. We should have did a shot of that, you know? Yeah, we will.
You got 2 stores. He's got 2 stores in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. We were at the one a couple weeks ago, and it is a tremendous store. Tremendous. What a selection. You sit down, you have your coffee, you can hang out. He's got the big leather chairs. Excellent, excellent, excellent store. And again, his prices are outrageous.
Outrageously low.
Yeah, outrageously low, yeah. When we
CI International.
When are we going to go back?
You think Tony's going to drive?
For Christmas time. We should go now with the decorations out there in Bethlehem.
Yeah, we're going to bring the wives. Why don't I bring the wives?
They have outlets there. They have all the shopping outlets.
Give the wives some money.
Do we have to?
Give the wife some money.
Let them give them a couple $. Go to 7-Eleven or something.
Tina and Peg will drive up there. They got all those outlets, those store outlets, and then we'll smoke a cigar, and they can't complain because we gave them money in their shopping. What are they going to say?
Hopefully they won't complain.
They'll find something to complain about.
Oh, you're in trouble. You're in trouble.
Dude, my wife sees this. We're in trouble. Oh!
It's going to be Vito from Jersey. One show.
One show.
It's going to be one show only. Vito's barbershop.
We have very good wives, very good Italian wives.
Yeah, old school.
Old school, good women.
She only beats me once a week.
They cook, they clean, right?
Oh yeah, work hard.
They work hard, but you know when you get a good woman, they got you too because you know they're good. You know they're good. Sometimes maybe it'd be better if they weren't that good. We can do what the hell we want. What are we doing? We're here in the house.
Yeah,
these 2 mamalukes are running all around.
They have no faults, and then you got nothing to hang on them. You have nothing to hang on them.
What are they going to say? Like, what do I complain about Peggy? What does she do too much?
Clean.
She cleans.
Clean.
She cleans too much, my wife. She cleans too much. What kind of fault? And why? She does what other thing? She goes to...
Oh, it's Bible study.
And she goes to church.
Bible studies, church.
Church, Bible studies.
Not all, I'm just saying an old,
meaning
in a good way, an old Italian... Traditional Italian housewife. Religious, very religious Catholic.
She has the veil when she goes to church. She's a good girl. And very sexy. Very sexy.
Now you were good.
Now I'm good. But it's true. How's Tina? Is Tina sexy too?
Both good, very good women. Both.
Are they sexy? Both.
Yes.
Yes. Is Tina gonna watch this?
She don't even know what a computer is.
Really?
Nah, she don't go on that. She's not. Nah. If I told her to go Google something, she thinks it's dirty or something. What do you mean Google? She'll say. What does that mean?
Tony's supposed to come over. Tony's supposed to come over with some biscotti made. What the hell wants he biscotti with a cigar?
I like it. It's like when you go out to a restaurant. You have your dessert. You have your coffee and cigar. Not bad. I go for it.
This is my perfect day. You know, really.
You made my winter now.